How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Raptor TIR Super Takedown Visor light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll notice a connector. And this is to be used with our optional Super Takedown Grand Control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables here, and then you'll have your backlight cable. Now on our optional Grand Control, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons, so you'll have dual flash pattern memory, you'll have your pattern changer button, you'll have your TD button, you'll have your Super TD button, you'll have your dim functionality, and your backlight button for the backlight LEDs on your switch box. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using my optional Grand Control, so I have my power button, and then in mode 1, I have one flash pattern saved, and then in mode 2, I have a second flash pattern saved, so you will have dual memory functionality. And then here you have your pattern changer button, which works whether you're in mode 2 or mode 1. And then you have your TD button here, which will activate your 2 standard white takedowns. And then you have your Super Takedown function, which will override the warning functionality of your light bar and go to Super Takedown. And then you have your dim function here, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, and that works whether you're in warning mode or your Super Takedown mode as well. And then here you have your backlight button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box, and that function can be activated by the button here or hardwired via the white cable. Now I did bring a red-blue color example here, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, so let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a green-clear alternating color setup, and then in the middle, I brought an amber solid color setup, and in the front, I brought a red-blue half-half color setup. But again, we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we have our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to using our optional Super Takedown Grand Control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here or your white hardwire cable. Now if you use the white cable, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or you can use the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll get your included universal mounting brackets, and those will attach via the back track of your visor bar. And then you'll have your bottom screw holes here if you need to use the base mounting brackets. And we also offer optional vehicle specific mounting brackets and our optional windshield visor extender. So that covers our Raptor TIR Super Takedown Visor light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.